Rhodiola is a herb that usually grows in cold, high-altitudes parts of Europe and Asia. It is known to be the origin of the legendary Viking strength. Though it was not only known in Europe, there is good evidence to suggest Chinese have used it as a folk tonic for centuries. It was used as a herbal tonic to help restore, tone and invigorate systems in the body or to promote general health and well-being. Its roots have a long history of medicinal use in other parts of the world, including Russia and Iceland. Rhodiola rosea has been used for centuries to treat anxiety, fatigue and depression. It has a long history of use as an adaptogen to non-specifically enhance the body's resistance to both physical and emotional stresses for fighting fatigue and depression. This is why we were intrigued to make this video, to help you understand the health benefits of rhodiola in this area.
What are the adaptogens, and how do they work? Adaptogens increase nonspecific resistance to stress and decrease sensitivity to different stressors, resulting in stress protection and lengthening the resistance phase, stimulatory effect. Instead of exhaustion, a higher level of equilibrium, the homeostasis, is attained. Some research have shows adaptogens can combat fatigue, enhance mental performance, ease depression and anxiety.
We have looked at different researches that have been published about rhodiola. One of the biggest findings was seen from the systematic review and meta-analysis published in December 2018 by Frontiers in Pharmacology. From this systematic review they concluded that a Rosea L can improve learning and memory function. The possible mechanisms of our Rosea L are largely through antioxidant, cholinergic regulation, anti-apoptosis activities, anti-inflammatory, improving coronary blood flow, and cerebral metabolism. Second research. We look at published research by Phytomedicine, in 2000. This is a double-blind, placebo-controlled pilot study which look at the positive effect of Rhodiola SHR5 extract on the fatigue of students who have triggered stress during an examination period. The results shows the most significant improvement in the SHR5 group was seen in physical fitness, mental fatigue and neuromotoric tests. From this we can safely say, ingestion Rhodiola rosea can improve cognitive function. Third research. 2004 study, published by an International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism, investigated the effect of acute and 4-week Rhodiola rosea intake on physical capacity, muscle strength, speed of limb movement, reaction time, and attention. The researchers found acute Rhodiola rosea intake can improve endurance exercise capacity in young healthy volunteers. From this point you can perhaps start to appreciate this underrated herb. But do you start to see why for different nations have used this herb for centuries? Other facts about Rhodiola rosea. We have gathered more information on rhodiola, and its astonishing health benefits will surprise you. We have discovered that some cultures have high regard for this herb and truly knows its benefits, and have followed their traditions for decades. Here are some of the facts we found. 1. There are more than 200 species of rhodiola. Only 20 species are used by Chinese and Russians. 2. In 1940, rhodiola was rediscovered by Russian doctor Nikolai Lazarev. He was asked by Stalin to find a way to increase the physical and intellectual resistance of Russian people. 3. Rhodiola has been used by Russian athletes to increase performance both mentally and physically for years. 4. Serbia is a homeland for rhodiola. It's part of the culture and history. 5. In Serbia and Russia it was used for centuries to relieve fatigue, digestive issue and nervous exhaustion. Are you still surprised how did Habib fight with the bear? Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share and like and see you next time.